Hello YouTubers, Mad Brad's Customs here. Today, first video of the year for me, I reckon, that I'm actually doing here in the shop. Today we are fixing the clutch. This is the factory quadrant for the ability to adjust the clutch. If anybody knows anything about Ford Mustang stuff, you would pull up on the pedal, clutch pedal, and pull down after you feel a click, and it would self-adjust, kind of like. But anyway, you get a lot of problems with this stuff. This car, everything's brand new, from the throwout bearing all the way through the motor, all the way to the radiator. I tried to go everything brand new, and if it is not brand new, it is rebuilt. So anyway, let me get back to this. Yeah, you'll have to take this cable out. Now, you could buy a cable, but I didn't see anything wrong with this cable. So this is the factory cable, and you got to cut all this out. This is the factory cable, and that cable will not come through that pathway. So you have to cut all this. This is all got to come off of here. All this is going to be gone, every bit of it. And then you'll take this piece here, the adjuster, and you'll put it back into that hole back there on the wall. And it comes with some screws, but you could use the factory one if you hang on to them and don't drop them and lose them. But anyway, I got them. And you should set it somewhere about halfway out to start off with. But the biggest thing you got to do, and if you got a little teeny cousin or maybe a son that's mechanically inclined, is get up under this dash to get to it all. It's not that bad. So I take the seat out. Anyway, there's a couple of pins you got to pull. It's not too hard to do, just kind of hard to get to. But anyway, first video of 2023. And this car is still for sale. I've had some people show up and look at it and brought a paper check. And they thought they could write me a check for it and go back with the car all the way back up above North Carolina. No. Anyway, hit the subscribe button. We need you. Mad Brad's Customs. We are out.